Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And today is the Brewed Beauty Collab Day, hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. And we also have Char from Char's Fashion Nation, Johna from My Nails and More by Johna, Erica by Erica Sue Nail and More, and Pauline by Pandora 57. It'll all be listed down below. She's our newest one. Please welcome her in. I'll list all the girls' videos down below, and you can go watch them and support them and like and subscribe. Excuse my voice. Hopefully, if the air conditioner kicks on, it's not so bad and it don't drown me out, but I need it. It's very hot today. I'm still suffering with that hoarse voice from all the smoke. Smoke is finally dissipated. So anyway, welcome to the Brewed Beauties collab. And today's theme is the star sign Cancer, which are like blue, pale blues, gray, silver, white, like all ocean colors. My oldest daughter, Heidi Jo, is a Cancer, and me and her actually have this is a short set matching because she actually loves the colors of the ocean and the water. So for this look, I'm going to be using Blue Moon by ColourPop and finally Silver Sea by Flex Beauty. So I already did my foundation with my normal Simply Ageless foundation in honey, and I use Jeffree Star's number 5 highlighter and a little bit of blush from e.l.f. So let's just dive in here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Moonlight as a blend-in color. That would be right there in the Blue Moon palette. And I'm going to take that high because I have hooded eyes. Pretty pigmented, huh? I just want that down to blend into. We're going to go with blue and silver. I let Heidi pick. And that's what she picked. Blue, silver, and white. So that's what we're going to go with. All right. So in the inner, I'm going to go into Starry Eyed, which is right there. I'm trying to do this quick because I know the air conditioner is going to come on. I just hope you'll be able to hear me. The day I'm filming this is actually the 4th of July. So we're barbecuing and cooking, and I'm taking a time out for a video. Now, Heidi is a Cancer. She was born on July 20th. Loves the water. Loves blues. So this is right up her alley. Loves the moon. When we lived in Florida, favorite thing is to go down to Honeymoon Island and watch the moon come up on a full moon night. Over the water. Okay, I think I'm going to go into... I don't want something so dark. I'm going to go into Fine China right there. Just tapping that. Look how pigmented. And go in the outer corner, bring it up a little bit. And there goes the air conditioner. I'm sorry, guys. But I really need that air conditioner. It wouldn't be, the temperature is not actually that bad. It's the humidity. It is so humid. Like I said, we are having a picnic and we're cooking between the rain. I did all the inside stuff. My mom made potato salad. German potato salad. So that consists of bacon and onions and celery and potatoes, and it's more of like a sweet sour dressing. I'm having a hard time seeing in the computer screen today, and I don't know why. Alright, let's blend this up. I'm going to touch that original color, that moonlight. Just blend that out a little bit. Now, I don't know if I'm supposed to put a base down for these shimmers from the Flex Beauty. But we're going to go for it. We're going to go for that silver. Look in this mirror. A little easier to see. One eye always comes out different. I don't get it. No matter what I do. Alright, so we got this Silver Sea. By Flex Beauty. It has this little shaker top. I'm just going to put a little bit in the lid. Like that. Get it all over me. And I think I'm going to do a flat brush. I hear booming. And if it bangs roll out, I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to go with this small brush. I think this is a Manny brush. And with everything going on, I'm not trying to support people, but, you know, I already bought the stuff. I'm going to use it. Alright, so this is Silver Sea. Wow. Okay. Alright, so for any of you, tiny bit of fallout, but it's powder, so that makes sense. I'll get that. Look at that. Alright, now, I've never used this before. I like it. I really like it. Alright, so let's go a little. I put a little less. I don't know why that all got like orangey looking for a minute. I do have orange curtains though. Wow, that is beautiful. I'm getting it everywhere. I'm really digging that. I'm not sure. Let's see. There we go. All right. All right, now. Not real sure what to do here. I'm going to go back into Blue Moon. I'm going to use the more concentrated brush. Go back into Moonlight. Wow, that's... Look at that. That is beautiful. Jeez. All right, Flex Beauty. I'm going into the whitish blue, and it's called Lumi. And you can't top that. I'm just going to put a little bit up here. We might as well just be sparkly. I'm sure I'll sweat it all off. I'm just kind of blending that. Alright, we're already up to 13 minutes. I'm going to use it's a cream gel eyeliner by ColourPop, and it is in the shade Showdown. It's blue. I like their eyeliners. You hear Heidi talking, that's on the camera. Now the perfect mascara would have been that periwinkle blue or whatever from the Jeffree Star collection, but when I got that, when I ordered that, it came dried out, and customer service handled it, but I didn't reorder it. I didn't like it. Was different than his original mascara, so I didn't reorder it. I took the refund, and I got a lippy instead. Okay, so Silver Sea is everywhere. So let's see. We're going to go with the ColourPop mascara. Look how pretty, guys. That is beautiful. I don't usually do my mascara on camera, but I'm trying to rush. Because my husband's going to need help. But he's very respectful of the fact that I'm trying to do a YouTube channel. I would love to get up to 500 subscribers and be able to monetize with the new rules. But I just think the makeup channels are oversaturated. I feel like that's what's going on. And I feel like because of my age and the way my eyes are, you know, I have hooded eyes. There's not a lot of different looks I can do. So I just feel like I'm repeating the same look over and over again. Mostly because, you know, I don't know how to do like graphic eyeliner. I don't have the eye shape for it. I don't have the lid space. Alright, there's a clump on there. Usually I don't have that problem with this. Yeah, happy 4th. That's what we've been dealing with. There, I got the clump off. Sorry, guys. There was a huge clump on my eyelash. The only thing I mean, I love fireworks, but not those big banger ones like that you just heard if you heard it. I don't know what color lip to do. I don't know. Let's do Cherry, ColourPop, Animal Crossing. It's just like a gloss. With a little bit of tint. Alright, so there is my Cancer look. I have to give that Flex Beauty Silver Sea a thumbs up. Very pretty. And I hope you guys like this look. Sorry for the long video. Sorry for the air conditioner noise. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you like content like this. Go check out the other girls in the collab. They'll be listed below. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.